guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a brownie batter shake, which is an all-time favorite here in our house because of the chocolatey chocolate. And we all love chocolate around here. I'm gonna make this one for Sebastian today, who happens to be 3 years old. So yes, the products are safe for everyone in the house. It is just really good food in a format that your body can actually absorb and use. So making this one for Seb today. Every week we post a new recipe video here, plus an additional video featuring the Herbalife Nutrition products that we're personally using, why we're using them, and how we're using them. So be sure you hit that subscribe button and go ahead and tap that bell so you never miss a notification of a newly uploaded video. All right, so let's get this mixed up. Okay, so the first thing I've done is I've put about 12 ice cubes in my little personal blender, and I have then filled up the water around the ice to the 12-ounce mark. One of the secrets with using the ice right from your refrigerator, the ice from your refrigerator is usually a little harder and it doesn't blend quite as fast or as nice depending on the kind of blender you're using. And I'm just using a small personal size Hamilton Beach blender. We love this blender. It handles ice so well. We'll pop a link to it. We just get ours from Amazon. And the motors hold up surprisingly well. I've broken more of the blender tops than I have burned up motors for them. So anyway, because of the smaller blender, I go ahead and let the water sit in the ice for just a couple of minutes while I'm getting everything ready to go. And that softens up the ice enough that it blends really nice and makes a smooth, creamy shake. I'm gonna use just a little bit of sugar-free chocolate syrup today in this one. And you can do that every now and then. I know it's sugar-free, but it's still adding things to your shake. So if you're on your weight loss journey, keep that shake just as clean and simple as possible. It's still gonna taste absolutely incredible. And it's gonna taste like brownie batter, I promise you. So I'm gonna use the chocolate protein drink mix, which this is the base for your shake, and this is how we customize your protein number. So make sure you know what your protein number is. Like I said, I'm making this one for Sebastian, who's 3 years old, so his protein needs are a little bit lower than ours simply because his body is so much smaller than ours. So I'm gonna use just 1 scoop of the PDM today for Sebastian, but if I were making this for Maurice, I would use 2 scoops. If I were making it for myself, I would use 1.5 scoops. So make sure you know what your personal protein number is, and you can find a link to that below this video also. Really easy to get, and I'm going to use our Dutch chocolate Formula 1. And all right, so let's go ahead and get this mixed up. One scoop of the protein drink mix. And your Formula 1, you guys, is just absolutely loaded with nutrients and vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients that your body needs to really function and feel its best. It's more than just a protein shake when you're having your Herbalife meal replacement shake. All right, so I have everything in the blender, and it's really just a super simple shake. 2 scoops of your Formula 1, 1 scoop of the protein drink mix, 1 or 2, whatever, depending on your personal protein number. And now I'm gonna blend this up. And remember that the key to the consistency of your shake is the time in the blender, especially if you're using ice. So I'm gonna blend this for probably a solid 60 seconds to make sure that it's smooth and creamy, like an actual milkshake. Okay, now that's all blended up. What I'm gonna do now with the chocolate syrup is gonna do a couple of things with the chocolate syrup to make it really look fun in the glass. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit right on the top of the shake in the blender before I pour it. Next, I'm gonna take my glass and I'm just gonna put a little swirl around it like that. And while that's running down, pour my shake in there. Oh yes. Perfect. Isn't that fun? All right, so this is the brownie batter. Again, to make it a naked shake, you simply leave the chocolate syrup out, and it's gonna be absolutely freaking delicious. So that's really all there is to it, you guys. If this video helps you out, if you like this kind of video, please hit that thumbs up. That helps us out way more than you know. And also, we do watch all of the comments. So let us know what you've enjoyed seeing here on the channel, what you would like to see more of, or what questions you have so we can get those handled for you in upcoming videos. That's all for today, you guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.